What is up, y'all? There's no good lighting, but Ollie keeps on saying that's the end of the world. Ollie, why do you say that?
Because it has been raining for the past 13 days now. And it's starting to smell like it. It means the meteorite hits us, we're all dead. Meteorite goes past, some people are dead. Meteorite hits the world is gone, like dead.
I'd rather go to Pluto and die there.
Fuck Pluto.
No!
I hope it blows up.
Isn't it like already exploded?
No.
It isn't? People in my school are dumb. 'Cause they keep on telling me that.
Teachers?
No. Kids. Students. 5th graders.
What grade are you in?
5th.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to go to 6th. This
Like
might...
3 months until you go to 6th grade.
Dang, that's some serious rain. Well, sewage, I don't know. We're just gonna go to the Xbox One, dude.
Yeah, I took my Xbox One there. Wait, I had to go get something, so we're going back.
Yeah. So we're gonna play some Black Ops 3.
Well, I am.
Well, yeah. And then next I am because I haven't played it. So yeah. This is gonna be new for me, so I'm gonna have to hold on to y'all till then. So we should like run.
No, we shouldn't. We should just talk.
Okay. Well, people, we're gonna talk. What are we gonna talk about?
Squad stuff.
Squad stuff? Okay, what about squad stuff? Well, my sister just got a bald head because she had a tumor in her brain, I think.
Yeah, tumor.
Tumor. Yeah.
So, we're lacking if y'all subscribe. I mean, that'd be good.
I mean,
We
help
get money
her.
for subscribers.
Not to be needy though, but we could like help our system grow, and we could help my sister get through her problems. Through the
Get her hair back, get her a weave, something like that. She might have to get a weave.
Well, what are you gonna clip it onto? Nothing, unless if you're gonna glue it on. I doubt that anybody would actually glue on weave. Dude, it's only been 3 minutes. It's only been 3 minutes.
Yeah, we started all the way up there.
But yeah, we're just walking in the rain. My sister and the Savannah girl is with her at the ER. I think she went to UK, right?
Yeah, she went to UK. They had to transfer her because the ER couldn't do nothing.
Yeah. She had to go to the UK.
She had to
because
get surgery on her
Yeah.
head. They gotta cut her head open.
yeah.
All that.
Well, I think
Yeah, they had to put her to sleep.
so. They had to put my sister to sleep. Wow.
I'm gonna rape her. I'm playing. Well, she's mad at me.
Savannah's mad at him because my baby sister Mia Kodarajin
Rogers.
Yeah, she told me and Ollie, and then Ollie told Savannah.
And she thinks I was just lying, so she got mad at me and said, fuck you.
Yeah.
Did all that.
There's her house.
Something I don't know.
Yeah. There's no way there because Savannah went to the UK with her. Unless if This one dude or to be with her. His name's Roger. So close. So let's just keep it going. We are almost there. They might be asleep, but it's only 6:20, and it's been raining this whole day, so that's probably why it's so dark out here. Only at 6:20. It does? Well, it was dark this morning.
I know because it was raining all day.
I know, that's what I'm like trying to explain. It's like been raining all day. We are near his property, and we are just stepping onto it now.
Well, guess what? I might not even talk to her no more. I don't.
Yeah, so squad's like breaking up right now.
Probably.
So subscribe if you want squad to stay together. Leave one reason in the comment section why. At his house. I'm just gonna keep y'all up because I don't really care anymore. Mom, shimmy,
Okay, we're gonna go. So, we'll see you dudes in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. And we will see you all dudes, all you, next video. Bye.